Fine. Believe yourself, but you'll not. Stop you. Shut up! Shut your mouth up! Fine. But you will not do it. Believe me. Stop! Or I'm gonna poop on you when I get out. Bro, I'm gonna put you in my stomach. If you keep saying this bad word. Shut your mouth. Don't you say it. Up! You know what? Fine. But I'm gonna kill you. If I didn't take that. Hell no. I screamed. I would haven't do this. Here's the metal. What do I need from that metal? You will see. Wait, why can't I move it? Whoa, what are you doing? What the heck are you doing? Why did you do like that? So if you get out, you don't get out. You don't get out. Bro, how am I gonna sleep here? I'll get you out when you sleep. Oh my. But this is not good. Oh my gosh. Yes, freedom. Freedom, but I'm stuck here. Yeah, you can't get out. I did this. Can you stop it? Not until you get inside. Oh, it's so annoying getting inside. What are you? Bro, I can't even get up. Bro, I'ma die here. Shut your mouth up! Do you want me to say yes? Yes, I want. Fine. No. You literally said yes. No. I said no. You unhearable girl. Bro, can I just get out of here? Not until you say I can get out. Then I'ma just live here. I don't deserve this. All I did was put this guy here. And now you're trapping me inside here. You deserve it. He was our brother. What do I need from my brother? Nothing. Then why are you telling me to be here? Because you have to deserve it. For kids to get and eat you. Look at your arm. You will be in my stomach. You won't get up. Yes, I will! No, you're not! Shut up! Fine. I'm stronger. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am strong. No, you're not. Shut up. You shut up. I didn't talk to you. Fine. But I will get up. Shut up and you will not get out. You will get out in my stomach. Bro. Shut up, man.